In this worked example, we are looking at stress in a wire. And we've got information about the diameter of the wire and the force that's being applied. And we've also been given the equation that says stress is equal to force over area. So if we want to look at the stress, that's going to be equal to the force that's being applied divided by the area. But of course, we know that the area is equal to pi d squared over 4. So we can put this equation back into that to say that this is going to be equal to the force divided by pi d squared over 4. Now we've got a kind of fraction here with a fraction on the bottom, so it all looks a bit messy. So we can also rewrite this as 4f divided by pi d squared. So what we now have is a new equation that you might not be familiar with, but that just means we can put all the numbers in one go and then work out the final answer. So this is going to be equal to 4 times the force, which is 45. Divide that by pi times the diameter, which in this case is 1.2 millimeters. So that's 1.2 times 10 to the minus 3 meters, and that's all going to be squared. And this means the stress is equal to 3978873.6. Okay, so quite a big number. We can see we've got information here to two significant figures for the diameter and the force. So a more appropriate way to write that would be equal to 4.0, and we're going to give it in standard form, times 10 to the 7. Okay, so that is a large number. The units are actually pascals. Just like we have pressure, which is force over area, stress is also given in pascals. So the advantage of using this equation here is that we can use that, put it into another equation or formula, and then we can rearrange to find one mega equation which we put all the numbers into in one step to work out our final answer. So there we go. In that case, the answer was 4 times 10 to the 7 pascals. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.